Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And firstly, you need to put them back in the case, like that. And after that, take this Type-C cable which goes in a complete with the device, or you can use any other Type-C cable. Just plug it in like that, and the other end connect to the power adapter and in a source of power. Or you can use any power banks, laptop, PS5, even your phone. You can use your phone as a power bank too if the battery allows it. Now, this red light on the case will turn on when your earbuds start charging. Once they are fully charged, the light will turn green, and the charging time is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes to fully charge those earbuds. So if you have a Samsung phone, you can just open the case near it and you'll see the pop-up notification with your battery percentage like that. But sometimes it can be lagging, so in that case we just need to open Galaxy Wearable, and right on the first page you would see your battery percentage for each of the earbud and the case if you just open it like that. And now let's talk about the charging time and let's talk about the playback time. So with active noise cancellation on, those earbuds last approximately 6 hours on a single charge, and with the case you can get up to 26 hours of total runtime. With ANC turned off, the headphones can last up to 7 hours and up to 30 hours with the case. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.